Because all you gotta do is go to 3.
I think we won that last round.
No.
Hey, he said your muscles
That's too bad.
Huh? No, it was science. It was Elder Louis.
Mom's gonna eat it. I can tell. Mom, try it.
The words came out. He talked to me. He was like, "Hey, I heard. That was fun. His muscles are." You want to go another round? That's the conversation that we had. I never said anything. That's kind of like balancing. I don't know how to balance that. It's easy, bro. Dude, I hurt hella bad actually. I don't know. You get a video of me? That was raw, huh?
No, I didn't get a video of you saying, it hurts. Kendrick, you have to do it now, man.
I can. Wait. How'd you do it? No, hey, kick your legs out. No, kick.
Oh!
Hey,
Yo, he
kick
got
your
closer
legs
than
out.
you.
Huh?
He got closer than you did.
Did you see what
That's
I
kind of crazy.
Did you see how I did?
That's kind of crazy.
Just hold it here. Oh, shit. Bro, see, can we do it? Swing more, bro. Oh, I can't just that simple.
It was that simple.
I must do it. Push up. I'm just trying, bro. This is hard, bro. I can't push it up, bro. Because the cameras are on me, I'm nervous. That's what it is. Cameras are on. No, at least I had a camera yesterday. Muscles a little sore. You better not got in the background, bro.
Oh, shoot.
Don't do that, though. Damn, bro, I get some bitch now. I'm allowed to swing into it. When I do it, I just keep my legs out, so then when you bring it down, more momentum. Then it looks cooler. It's easier. Hey, just keep it controlled. Just hold your legs there for a second. Oh, are you like down? Oh, hey, that was pretty damn close. I know, bro. You gonna hold it? Yeah.
I feel like David could do it.
Oh, he did, sure. Right now. He just did it, bro.
Because he's scared of cameras.
Bro, I can only hold it here. I can't on it, right? Oh, are you talking about the plant or the handstand?
Ah! Oh, I think he got the closest, though.
Yeah, that was like no after.
Yeah, that's the closest.
Does that count or no?
It doesn't count, but it was the closest.
You gotta lock it up or what? What I do, I try and go here and then keep it there so then when I grab. Well, Signs is here. What is? Uh-oh. Surprising Louis. Oh? Man, he barely walked on the floor, man. He barely walked on the ground, man. You see him trip over that curve?
You want to wrestle?
Man.
Let's go.
I'll put
Anybody
Kendrick
want to
to
challenge
wrestle
somebody
you.
to a beach wrestling match?
Muhammad wants to wrestle.
Beach wrestling, just
over there.
takedowns, right? I want to challenge you to kind of my weight class. You want to do a hero match? I might be like 60 pounds. Oh, shit.
Oh, shoot.
I did it, bro. Yeah, a little bit.
Oh, man.
Maybe you can do it now.
Why don't you go up there, show him up?
Yeah, come on, you can do that.
Oh yeah, that brother's a calisthenics. Yeah, he's calisthenics right there.
Oh, shoot. Yo.
That's calisthenics for
You
you.
should have been in gymnastics.
Bro, I was saying that earlier.
Dang, that's like impressive.
Kendrick, you can do that?
He did it. I got him in 4K, coach.
I want to try like this. Oh! Actually wrestle? Trying to wrestle before? Oh, yeah?
Yeah, he ain't doing it.
That's hard. I think you like
You need a strength and technique.
Yo, why did I get that?
That was cool.
That's hard, bro.
Why do you go out there and try it? Show up your muscles.
That's 1 point, AJ.
I cannot do that, but I can do dips.
you know the shopping
Let's
cart?
see who can do more dips.
It was empty one day, and I got it, and I was like, did it. Like, straight up. You can't do that anymore, bro. We've been eating a lot these past 2 days. Yeah, dude, I feel like I'm like 190 right now. Nothing good. Or even on the pool one, bro. Man, I feel like I can get it. Just don't open your legs when you come back down. Huh? Keep your legs tight when you come back down.
Sand makes it different, huh?
Like, bust my ankle on the
Sand makes it different.
Oh.
You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm trying to pull it off of that, man. I feel like if I jump into it, oh, you know the handles going into the pool? I did it off the pool. Yeah, like the pool handlebar going in. I had to
Oh.
yeah.
Oh.
It's just weird, bro.
No, I don't know about that. I'm trying to get all sandy right now. That part. I got sweats on, bro. Let's see how he does it.
No, he wants it. He wants it. He wants it. You called him out. Let's
I'm
go.
gonna snap you in the face.
No. That's what. And you called him out now. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, make the circle. Make the circle. Make the circle. Make the circle. Make the circle.
Oh, you gotta be shitting me. You gotta be shitting.
A good circle, Louis. Coach Saenz wants to smoke. He's feeling bad, like a bad man today. Look, he's scared.
Hey, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me.
All right, ready?
No sand in the face.
Go. Out. 1 point sides.
Morris, wrestle like you want it.
Ready, go. 1-0. 1-0.
Oh.
Ah, 1 point sides. Oh!
I'll take the dirty point. I'll take the dirty point.
Technical. Get back in there. Get back in there. You gonna take that from him?
What is it? It's 2-0.
That's 3.
No.
Ow!
That's 3.
3. We have a winner. New light middleweight champion. Coach Sides. Wait, whoa. Out. 1-0.
I think I have extra underwear. I just don't want to wash it out with them. I have shorts, but.
Did his feet touch it out though?
I don't know. I didn't see it.
Yeah, we'll have to call that on a draw. Mohammed, go make the circle in the back. Hurry, so we can tell. Look at Mohammed making that circle. Yo, you made a heck of big, Mohammed. Why is Mohammed going all the? Well, you gotta help Mohammed, man. He doesn't know how to make a circle. He messed it up.
Oh, my arms hurt so bad.
Hey, is that a point? Knee hit the ground?
My knee was on
Yeah, but if they push them to their knees, it's a point. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure that's a point. No way! This guy's a cheater. Coach! No, coach! It's a technical violation. He grabbed sand and threw it to his face.
No, that's dirty.
It's 2-1.
Come on, Wahedi. No!
All right, that's 2-2.
Wahedi, don't let me down right here, man. Don't let me down.
Out. All right, we got a winner. Wahedi. Yo, Morsey, this guy really said. No. technically ends it, I feel, right? That was straight to back. That was straight to back. He got you, straight to back. No, coach. He went straight to his back.
He's calling you out.
Debbie, take care of my life work. I'm taking stars right now.
Bro, that's what I did when I fucking ran up against like.
Hey, Christian, you want to challenge it?
Motherfucker cut off my airway for a little
How much
bit.
you weigh?
That fucking...
I'm like 180.
We should get a round of people here to wrestle.
Souza, you got it.
Louis,
Oh yeah, he's a contender.
Louis,
Yo, he wrestled 30 seconds and you wrestled 3 people. Out! One ooey. Oh, oh.
you're gonna get pushed out.
Oh! That's technically feet to back too. I think that's done. That's done. Dunzo. Ooey, champ.
I'm still here, coach.
What? Push him out, 1. Take him down, 1. Put him on his back, feet to back, you're done.
Watch the push.
Ah! That's not step. Nah.
You're in position.
Out, Mohammed! All right, that's 1-0. What? Out! 1-1. Ah! Oh! That's 1, yeah, 1-2. No, you have 1.
What?
No, wait. He has 2. You have 2. Muhammad has 1. Yeah.
Push him out, push him out. There you go, you're in position, go.
Oh, we got a winner. Yeah.
Come on, Luke. It's just pushing him out of the circle. Hey, Devin, come on, Morris.
Morris.
He's wrestling.
Sand
Like you don't wrestle every day.
Sand gets acne off your back and shoulders.
It's an exfoliant. You pay like $50 for an exfoliant.
His acne's drying out.
He's a champ.
Champ.
So push out. I got you, Souza. Take down Stu, right?
No, point. Everything's 1 point, and you add to 3.
Besides feet to back?
And so, yeah, because besides feet to back, that ends it. You should wrestle him. You see, you're warm now, right? Look at it. That's 1.
Muhammad got 1?
Yeah.
Don't step out.
Ah, that's. Is the circle too small? It's 1-1.
I don't know.
That's out too.
2-2.
It's 2-1. It's 2-1. Oh, that's done. That's a done deal, buddy.
Alright, one more thing. I got one for you.
Done.
I got one for you.
All right, hey, clear. If it's a step out, I'll call it. You stop, and then you go back to the middle. Okay? Ah, step out. 1 ooey.
Just so you guys know, the restrooms over there.
Woo! Look at this. Feet was all. It was still in. Was it a step out? What kind? That was 1 point.
I'm calling it not, but I'm biased.
I thought it was in, but it's 1-1. Look at his foot. It's almost out. It's almost out. It's almost out.
That's how you get thrown. Set it up. Headlock's there. Snap his face in the sand. Just upper body or
It's beach wrestling.
Is it beach wrestling?
That's what it's called. That's the rules. It's currently.
who's the winner amongst you guys so far?
Duncan is David. Out. 2-1. 3. 2 Louis, 2 Uy, and 1 what's his name? Waheen.
So, Louis called you show muscles earlier.
Watch this. Out Louis, out Uy. 2-2. 2-2.
1 point, take down, finish. Just 1 point.
Wait, get to the center. Time. Get to the center. Right there. All right, go.
Show muscles my ass. I was next to Louis. He was talking shit. I was just listening. All right, we got all new contestants. He's the leader so far amongst the middleweights. For the mid upper weights, that's the lightweight champion.
Oh! Out. That's 3. Wait, it's 2-2, right? 3. Uy wins. Uy wins. It was a. He stepped out.
Wahedi.
Who's Hetty?
I want to wrestle with big muscle. No, actually.
Where's the circle at?
Right behind. Ah, that's 1. That's a circle.
Hey, winner gets my head.
Hit your move, Duncan. Hit your move. I ain't seen your move yet.
That's a takedown.
You gave up on that, bro.
You could have had that, bro.
That's 2-1. 2-0. 2-0.
Next man. Hit your move. I ain't seen your move.
That's gonna be a step out. He's on the edge.
This business is too hard to
You got a
see,
knee
sir.
kick right there.
Yeah.
He's begging for it.
Bro, you have it.
What the heck?
I'm starting to think this move is non-existent now.
Yeah.
Duncan, what weight do you wrestle?
Muhammad.
1.
Fuck, bro. I'm too tired for that. I got him now.
He's running away now. Push out, 1 point. If the other guy's knee touches the ground, 1 point. And if you get a takedown, it's 1 point. And you're only going up to 3. If you get put to your back, feet to back, you're done. You lost. If you get put from feet to back, you're done. Everything else is 1 point, and you have to go to 3. That's 1 point. Oh my gosh. Yo, Muhammad, he's talking about the smack. Ah! That's a point. You got to, actually, you lost, Muhammad, because you got to put to your back. Yeah. Technically, you lost because you got to put to your back. But so we're now on technicalities. That's a point. So 2-1, 2-0. Oh, he's still in. He's still in, Muhammad. He's still in. That was still in. That's a takedown. That's 1-2, 1-2, 1-2. Oh, 2-2. Hey, now we got a match here, buddy. That's it. That's it. Winner Louis. Ooh. He won. It's 3 points. Ooh, Muhammad, let's go, Muhammad. Muhammad, we can't have a repeat of what happened earlier this week.
I don't want to get all sandy no more.
Yo, he's running away, Muhammad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have to come.
Hey, don't you have to finish like this or like this or something?
Dude, 1 by 1, go down.
That's gonna hurt. Oh. Bob's like 1-0. I mean 2-0. 2-0. Ah, 0-0? 0-0-0. Step out. That's 1-0. That's 1-1. That's crazy because Coach Science always tells you get yourself off your knees. 2-1. Ah, I was out.
I didn't do that shit, bro.
Oh no, that's 3? No. That's 2-2. 2-2.
right, go time to see it. Let's get it. This is still wrestling, dude.
Ooh! We have a winner.
What's the weight difference? What you weigh? 255. About 20 pounds.
How much you weigh?
I was 275 at this turn.
Really?
Yeah, like 280.